How is it going, everybody? You're watching Tong Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to do this. Unlock my iPhone. That's right, I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone with your voice. How cool is that? Especially nowadays that we are all wearing masks all the time and not really using Face ID so often, having the ability of unlocking your iPhone by just saying a sentence is so incredible, especially because it's never gonna mistype, so it's always gonna work. And it's also a very, very cool party trick that you can show your friends and like impress people. It's so cool. So without further ado, let me show you how you can set it up. So I've just disabled the feature altogether so I can go ahead and set it up with you step by step from the beginning. Okay, let me prove it to you. So unlock my iPhone. So nothing happens. All right, so let's go ahead and set it up together. All right, so all you have to do is go to settings, and then you're gonna scroll all the way down because we're gonna use accessibility for this. Okay, and we're gonna scroll down a bit more and go to voice control, because of course we're gonna control things with our voice. Right here below language, we have customize commands. So we're gonna create a customizable command. So create new command. And here is where we're gonna type in the sentence, the phrase you're gonna say to activate the command, which is unlocking your iPhone. So again, I'm gonna do the same phrase. So I'm gonna put unlock my iPhone, but of course you can do any phrase that you want. You can go ahead and type in anything that you want. It's up to you. Only some observations are type something that is speakable. So don't go ahead and type in numbers and letters and symbols or anything like that. And go ahead and type small sentences. So like unlock my iPhone, something small, easy, speakable, and very easy for the iPhone to pick up. Next step is here in action. So tap in action, and it's gonna be run a custom gesture, okay? Because we're gonna actually create a gesture. So run custom gesture. And here is where the magic happens, okay? Here, we're actually gonna swipe and tap and do everything that we want our iPhone to do when we say the command. So we're gonna program the iPhone to perform an action, which in this case can be, again, a tap or a gesture. And in our case, it's gonna be unlocking the iPhone. So for this situation, which is an iPhone without a home button, what is exactly the action? So it would be swiping up. So then we're gonna bring up the keypad with all the numbers, and then we're gonna type in, of course, the passcode. So that's pretty much it. Swipe up and tap in the numbers. Okay, but you may ask me, sure, but how will I know where exactly the numbers are on the screen, because this is a blank canvas here? Well, I have a little trick for this. So if we just cancel and go back here to the lock screen, okay, just very quickly, here we have a representation of exactly where those numbers are going to be in. And we have pretty much two possibilities. You can get a sheet of paper, put on top, and draw this little map. It's a very easy option. Or if you want to, if you have with you, you can get a Sharpie or something, and you can easily draw on the screen. So you can draw here, you can draw here and here, because in my case, as you saw, it was 0809. So I'm drawing on those numbers. So let's get back there. So run custom gesture. We are back on the screen. And all you have to do is hide controls. So this is going to be a huge canvas for us to work, and then mimic the action. So swipe up and tap for those buttons for the corresponding numbers. So hide controls, swipe up, ta, 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 ta. That's it. Now wait a few seconds. Wait. And wait. And there you have it. So save. Okay, so hit on save. And back, and we're good to go. We have just created this gesture, which is unlock my iPhone. If we do this, this, and that, we're done. Okay, so it's important to leave application as any. So anywhere on your iPhone that you're in, this is gonna work. Okay, so hit on save, and now it's saved. It's done. It's back. So we just have 2 more quick steps. Number 1, we gotta activate voice control if you haven't already. So activate voice control. If it's the first time, it's gonna open up a few screens. Just hit OK, continue. You're done. Just activate voice control and go back once again and just go ahead to Face ID and passcode. And then all you have to do is reset your Face ID. Okay, I know it's a little bit annoying, but we have to disable Face ID, because if we don't, we just won't be able to have this feature working, just because we have a limited number of steps we can do. And if we have Face ID on, it just won't work. Okay guys, so trust me, you're gonna have to disable Face ID for this. And now we are finally done. So all you have to do is actually turn off your iPhone, and as soon as the screen is awake, you can say unlock my iPhone. And then there you have it, the iPhone is unlocked. How cool is that? I just love this feature, guys. Hope you enjoy it as well. One final tip is, if you're doing this on an older iPhone with a home button, please make sure that there's a little bit of a difference in the process. You're not gonna have to actually register the swipe up gesture. All you have to do is register the typing, okay, of the numbers themselves, just that. Because if you're doing this feature on an iPhone with a home button, you're actually gonna have to turn on the iPhone and press the home button manually. So as soon as the keypad pops up, then you say the command. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.